welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alexis L.D.M. Y'all hit the subscribe button on the bottom, and my social medias will be on the description box below. Today it is going to be another weekly vlog, so I am super excited. I'm kind of just getting adjusted to this camera. It may not be like the best camera in the world and the most high-tech camera in the world. Gotta do so. I know I kind of look slumped up already. I just basically got off work 10 at night yesterday. I was supposed to film my, my social media platform over here, relaxing a little bit, not too much for the rest of the evening. Since majority of the day I did work. I'm crocheting tonight, but then how exhausted I am until I do my night routine to end. So, and to check back with you guys next day. So I gotta sit there and go ahead and do this morning routine because I have to sit and get ready for work in about 3 hours, 1 minutes work. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my morning routine, dress and all that stuff, and then I'm gonna sit there and talk to you guys back when I get everything settled. So pretty much this is my outfit for today. It's casual and stuff like that. So I got on this middle size medium. It's from Fashion Nova. This whole thing is from Fashion Nova with separate shoes, jewelry, all that. But it is so cozy and it is so cute on me. And like I said, I got this in a size medium, and I got on a navy V-neck shirt. And I actually thought that it was going to sit there coming as a crop top, but no, y'all. I'm a little smaller up here in the torso part, but I have like long legs. So I know some of y'all probably thinking like, you know, she kind of like tall with it. I'm only just 5'6", so I have my jackets and stuff more loose than what I usually wear. And the pants and the navy shirt, I got in a size small. They didn't have extra small, so I went ahead and just wore me a small to be on the safe side. I feel like the khaki pants, they a little bit high-watery on me, so that's fine with me because either way, it still gives me comfort and stuff. And then y'all know the usual black tennis shoes that I got from City Trends. And of course, I said that got on my necklace for about $2.99 with the whole pack. And I got on this bracelet and I don't like this design on it, but. And then basically my watch right here, I up ponytail with a claw clip in, and I did sit there, add some not rubber bands, but bobby pins to it just to keep my size all right. So this is pretty much my outfit for the day. So it's bad, it's more of a chic, casual outfit. So I'm gonna sit there and hit you guys back up. I'm probably gonna vlog a little bit on my break. I'm feeling this look, like I'm feeling it. Like I said, who said that locks is not versatile? Cause baby, these things right here is versatile. So I'm gonna go ahead. Basically, I'm gonna have to finish getting ready for work, just relax for a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna sit there chat back with you guys when I sit there go on break. So yeah. So I am back from work. It's actually an hour later after I've been back. 10:08 now. It's 10:08 now. I'm sitting down right now, basically eating another batch of some pizza rolls. I'm letting it cool off for a little bit. So my packing today, it was unexpected for me because of the simple fact, like, I was supposed to get it Monday, instead it came in today. So I got some cute stuff, and I was gonna sit and do the unboxing. I'm gonna sit here and eat. My man is basically, coming by and see me a little bit. And after I do that, I am pretty much gonna sit and call this day, because for a fact that I am so tired. Like, work was work. Like, I put in that work today. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sit there, eat these pizza rolls, and I am pretty much gonna call this a night. So I will see you guys next day. I'm basically back. I did not do any content yesterday. So I did not do any content yesterday at all. And on top of that, y'all really did not want to see me yesterday. I was too messed up. I'll be honest with you. I was too messed up. So I said it was like, let me not do any content today because of the simple fact, like, I was too messed up. So I know in a little bit I'm there. I'm still trying to get over a mini hangover. Not so bad, but no. It's a lot of things I gotta do today. So I just got finished recording my year and 5 months lockup date. So that will be uploaded on Friday, as well as do some meditation to go ahead and meditate and everything, because I was supposed to do my meditation in March. It is almost in the middle of April. So I really got to get into it. So I'm going to meet you guys when I sit there, head outside to do the works. So, yeah. Alright, you guys, it is hours later. I really didn't do much content today because your girl today forgot to buy herself some solar glasses to see the solar eclipse. We talked a little bit. It wasn't like too long ago. I basically just got back from the grocery store to basically get some things to eat for, you know, lunch and stuff. And pretty much I was sitting and checking back with you guys. So hi you guys, it is the next day and I am basically fully dressed. Right now it is 12:36 p.m. So I'm basically ready early for work today. So pretty much I know that for right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog. But I like to sit there and tell you guys, thank you guys for sitting and tuning into my channel. I know that, you know, trying to get adjusted to this camera and stuff is not that easy, but it's something that I'll have to sit there and get used to. Posting more content soon. Definitely more content soon. And other than that, I hope you guys that is watching this, you know, having a great day, good evening, wherever you at, and I'll see you guys next time on my channel. Peace.